People ask me all the time what the hashtag It's Never Too Late tour is all about. I've come to learn that in this phase in my life, the things that have happened and the things that have gone past and the things that were. The things that are ahead of us that you can let the mind go to if we're not careful is perhaps something that hasn't happened or an outcome that you're just letting your mind tell you or bring you to. But what we do have is the moment we're in. And to be present, I feel, is the gift that you've given me more than any other presence that I've ever felt in my life. And I am now focused, and I feel focused, that the moment that we're in and how unique and how special it is truly the most special moment of your life. And to be present is truly the greatest gift. So it's never too late.
Right.
Never too late to learn that lesson.
Yeah. And now we've been married for 3 years. And I think it's one of those lessons, as much as you credit me with giving to you, I credit you with giving to me. And just kind of that overall sense of making everything special all the time. Even the little things, we somehow figure out a way to make those special too.
We sure do.